guys, what is up? This is Andrew with Project 637. We're making a video tonight with Hemigang, and we're going to show you how to put a Wicker bill on a Dodge Charger. Let's get it.
Hold up.
Swirl.
Alright guys, so requires a 3/8 drill bit to put this on, so we'll go ahead and start.
Yeah, oh, he got the two-piece one. He got a ZL1. I got down for it. He got two. Yeah, he bought a ZL1.
Like that. And be sure not to push too far because you will go through the top of your spoiler. You don't want to do that. We're going to get the rest of these done here.
I got that cut out.
You feel it give, you want to stop a little bit.
Hey, all that street racing going on. That's what we do with racing. Yeah. I'll see y'all later.
It's been every one of them.
Hey, but we were all leaving at 2 o'clock in the morning, but they were talking about we doing street racing.
So with these, you gotta kind of wallow them out a little bit, guys, like me and Chris did, because you want them to fit snug, but not too snug. There it is.
Hey, y'all ever see that fool on that bitch talking about he live, y'all?
Oh, yeah.
And he talking about, somebody said, shut your dumb ass. Oh, good, we're playing.
Ain't nobody playing with your dumb ass.
Couldn't read nothing.
Oh, they try to read the other comment. You, always.
Just like
I
that.
don't understand how you can do that. You illiterate.
Yeah.
What that mean? Online?
It's a race.
Final touches on it. This looks sick. Y'all comment down below and let me know what you think.
Hey, now you know what you need to do?
What's that?
Chunk your Instagram tags on that picture list.
Right here? One of them? I'm gonna take them off anyway.
Well, put them right there. Depending on what
Cool.
side you can put one on one side, one on the other.
Yeah. It looks sick.
Here you go, sir.
And everything matched up.
Yeah, it's supposed to. Gonna the holes in there.
Alright, second guessing.
Question in a second. Roll with it. I like that.
Big thanks for your help, Chris.
Oh yeah, of course, bro.
I mean.
What?
Yeah, guys, comment below. Let me know what you think.
You can drive.
Shoutouts to Hemigang.
Yeah. Hashtag Hemigang. Austin, Texas. What up? Looks sick. If you haven't, guys, already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.
Lately I've been speeding in the NASCAR, sipping the dirt.